you should name them something.
Like, what do you mean?
Like, you know, like
the vlogs?
like backwards vlogs.
Thank you for making this your soundtrack.
At Jean's Warehouse.
Dude! Open it. Are you fucking joking?
Oh, that's so good. Oh, I like it.
Because you're a baby.
Because I'm a baby. That's funny too. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my god, it's so big. Alright, so I pulled back around and Justin left his car in the driveway with the door open for some reason. So I'm locking the door. Wait, where do you have to go? Alright. Don't touch my car. Get off my car. Oh my god. Hey. 69. Do not get out. Justin, get back in the car. There's a car behind me. Get in the car.
Hi. Happy New Year.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi, Trace Vlogs.
Okay, so Travis's house.
Yes. I love being part of the vlog.
Oh, cool. You were in the other one.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah,
Yeah, you put that in, thanks. Last tournament of 2016 to decide the ultimate ping pong champ.
What is the record?
He's won like 2 and I've won like 12.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, Travis. Travis is the grumpy one. How do you feel?
Okay, do you want me to start? Yeah. Okay.
What game is this? Why aren't you're using your hands instead of your paddles? I genuinely don't understand this game at all. What are you doing?
Fighting for a serve.
Man, the lighting on this camera is terrible.
Don't put that in the vlog.
It's so right. What, you missing and losing?
Oh
my god, I got that on camera.
Meant to do that.
Don't put that in the vlog.
I feel like anytime you say don't put in the vlog,
Yeah, it goes in the vlog.
oh, damn it. I feel uncomfortable being on camera.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you're not good at it.
Look how fat this car is. Whoa, what is that on the road? Ah!
I thought that was a body. Because it's blue. Stop blowing all of them!
Okay, I just heard the loudest noise. What was that noise?
What are you doing?
Did you just set it off on accident? Wait, is that the whole thing? Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, we only have like 5.
Wait, how'd you do that? How'd you do that?
He was trying to cut the rope with fire.
That was a fuse.
You were trying to cut the fuse
was a
with
fuse?
fire?
No, I thought it was a rope.
Hey, say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
This is the party out here. And this is the real party in here. Wow.
Her lip gloss is so glossy. Yeah.
How's it going?
It's good.
Talk a little louder for the vlog. Everyone's talking now.
It's good.
Thanks. A little louder. I can't hear you.
It's good.
Can someone fight? That'd be cool. That'd be great content for my vlog. If you, hey. Yeah, no, not me. No, I didn't. No.
No.
You guys gotta yell at each other. Sleep first. Never have I ever liked Trey.
Oh! No, I'm just kidding. No, I like you the first. Where's Kylie?
Wait, can you guys say like 5 nice things about each other?
Zach, I like your ears, I like your hair, I like your thumb, I like your thumbnail, and I like your watch. Can you tell me what you like about me now?
Dad? Not dad.
Oh.
Curve trick.
Oh, sorry. Wait. What?
I'm actually gonna put this up.
Are you actually for best actor?
For his failed film.
Do not eat the boom mic. Pulling in 3, 2, 1.
What?
3, 2, 1, go.
What? I don't want to be here. I have to be here. I'm on academic probation. No biggie. Just serving my time.
That was bad.
I know. It sounds like I'm reading off a script.
Bloopers. What?
How big is yours?
16 gigs.
Bloopers.
Stop! You ruined it. I don't want to do talking head.
It's the easiest shot. Okay, ready? 3.
No. Let me rest.
Okay, so I'm gonna get you into character.
I know.
Okay, Ah! Do you know half the outtakes are you?
Nah,